Good morning, viewers from Laxon Street in Bacolod City. Well, what's happened to Robinson's place? Here on the left, Robinson's Mall is currently under renovation. Looks like they're renovating the front car park area. It's still open apparently. I've not been around the city for a while, so I'm going to have a look what they're doing to Robinson's place. There's definitely some heavy work going on here. Looks like the whole mall is under renovation. By the looks of it, it's going to turn the car park into a mall. A little bit like they're doing at SM City at the moment. There's also a new entrance. Is this going to be permanent? They have like a tunnel entrance here from the main road. A little tunnel heading straight into the mall. Could this be the new entrance permanently? Who knows? It seems so. Now let's get inside the mall. And if you were coming here looking for a Shakey's pizza, it's closed. You'd be disappointed. And I think that was Kalia's Cakes. And on the other side, there was a Jollibee. That's gone as well. So it seems this front side of the mall is under renovation. A lot of the places are closed already. But there's a few places still open around here. At the back side of the mall. Right, we'll go up to the second floor and have a look up there. And of all the places that are closed, Converse is still open and Skechers are on the way. So there is hope. I don't know how long this renovation is going to take, but maybe it's going to be quite a good mall when it's finished. Who knows? It's got a lot of competition these days with SM City, which is newly renovated, and Ayala Capital. Right, third floor next. This used to be the fun zone. This is where all the kids used to hang out on the third floor, where the cinemas were, and all the arcade machines, and all that's gone. All of it. Quantum, that was full of kids' games and arcades. Now up here is government offices. This is where you come to get your passport. Yeah, it's no more fun zone up here. Nothing fun about it at all. And they used to have a food court here. All gone. Cinemas. Only the sign is left. And over here is where you renew your license, your driving license. Yeah, big changes to Robinson's Mall, especially on the 3rd floor. And if you've not been here for a while, it really has changed. The shopping malls, things of the past. Is everybody buying online now? Could that be it? Even the Christmas tree area looks a bit sad this year. But Chowking's busy. Down on the ground floor. Let's take a look around the ground floor. So the supermarket's open and quite busy, and so's Chowking. There's also some good news here for GoProers, or for bloggers and YouTubers. You can now get the new GoPros here. We've got the 12 and the 13, but they're still cheaper on Lazada. But if you need one desperately, you can buy one in the mall now, which you couldn't last year. They used to have a place called Camera House that closed down, unfortunately. And now to check out the very back of the mall. There's a new pet place coming here. Pet spa or something like that. But this area used to be full of pop-up stalls, snack stands. And over here, this used to be the Negros showroom, a big branch of it. Now it's a clinic. A medical clinic, and at the back here is the City Walk. This coffee shop on the corner, now that's here's closed. City Walk. And there's only one restaurant left, that grill restaurant over there, and apart from that, there's absolutely nothing left. This used to be a strip of restaurants, Well, it used to be. I'm not lying. Nothing left now. All empty. Doesn't look good, does it? And at the back there is the brand new call centre. Even Kino's, it's closed, it's gone. They've moved branch, I think. They've got a couple of other branches around.